Hello, I'm CeCe, and I'm here at the Depew Park, which for me is where I grew up. I'm standing here in this gazebo that used to be used for everything. And typically on the 4th of July, this would be adorned with red, white, and blue flags, and bands would be setting up to perform. Kids would be swimming. People will be coming to the park, getting ready for the fireworks tonight. So today, my friend and I, that I grew up with and went to school from first grade, David Carbone, we decided to come here and recreate the gazebo. So in commemoration of the 4th of July, as we recreate this beautiful gazebo here in the Depew Park, I wanted to sing for you today, America the Beautiful. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for perfect mountains, majesty above the fruited plains. America, America, God sheds his grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for perfect mountains, majesties above the fruited plains. America, America, God sheds his grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. So I'm going to just talk a little bit about this gazebo here. I believe, for me, I know it as being one of the very first gazebos here in Peekskill. And it wasn't called a gazebo, it was called a band shell, located here in the Depew Park. And we came here today, Dave and I, who is my videographer and friend from school, from first grade. We came here today because this is where it started for us. We're both musicians, and Dave used to play here. And I think one of the first times that I sang in public was right here in this very band shell, which is located in the Depew Park. So that is the reason why we decided to use this location to shoot this video to celebrate the 4th of July.